Hi, my name is Ronald Munatsi. I'm the director of the Zimbabwe Evidence Informed Policy Network. We are supporting the Parliament of Zimbabwe in enhancing their capacity to use research and other types of evidence in parliamentary processes in collaboration with ID Insight. Currently, we've been running a workshop. It's finishing tomorrow on data analysis, cleaning, and visualization. And we've been talking to some of our beneficiaries, mainly from the research department and also the budget office, including the director of research for Parliament of Zimbabwe. This is what they have to say regarding the workshop.
I'm Alex Msumba. I'm the director in charge of research at the Parliament of Zimbabwe. Basically, our department is the one that is responsible for ensuring that Parliament has the requisite information in order to execute its mandate. In respect of members of Parliament, it is our duty to ensure that they have adequate information in order to carry out their duties either in Parliament itself in the House or in portfolio committees from an informed position or perspective. To do that, we have to have, our officers have to have the appropriate competencies and skills in order to assist the members. So we have enlisted the assistance of various organizations, and in this instance, we have ZeipNET in conjunction with IT Insight, who are assisting us with a capacity building workshop where we are capacitating our officers with analysis skills as well as methods of writing fact sheets. This initiative and these partnerships are informed by the fact that parliamentary business is evolving. It has become more complex. So members of Parliament are being asked to deal with very complex matters, and on their own it will be difficult to address those issues. So research officers and other officers of Parliament remain with the mandate to assist members of Parliament to comprehend those complex matters. And our partnership with organizations like ZeipNET and ID Insight is meant to give us that capacity to help us assist members of Parliament adequately. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Mhlanga, the Informatics Database Administrator with the Parliament of Zimbabwe Research Department. Currently attending a workshop on data cleaning, analysis and visualization. This has been an insightful program that seeks to help us develop further in our capability to provide analysis. Major takeaway from this program has been the ability to deal with information, especially considering that we have been taking the longer route in doing things or doing them manually, yet there are processes that can actually be automated. I'm glad to say that from what I've learned so far, processes that usually would take me days or weeks could actually be automated faster, and this can actually help reduce the time span that we spend in providing services to the honorable members of Parliament. I'm also sure that by the end of this workshop, we'll be able to do things faster, provide better insights, visualization, so that MPs can use data-driven measures in executing their duties. This is what I've gathered from this workshop, and I hope to gather to get more information and leave this place richer. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sibanda. I'm a Deputy Director in the Parliament Budget Office at the Parliament of Zimbabwe. My role is to assist members of Parliament and committees of Parliament to analyze budget mainly and do analysis, economic analysis. as well as policy analysis, mainly on economic issues. I'm attending this workshop on data cleaning, visualization and analysis, and I found that it is very helpful to the work that I do at Parliament. I am hoping that as we proceed with this workshop, I'll gain more insight into how we can visualize and present our data to enable members of Parliament to fully benefit from the information that is available. As I mentioned, we do budget analysis, and I have realized that during this training that there are many ways of simplifying or easing how we do our work. In the past, I've been doing a lot of analysis manually, and it has taken a lot of time and also limited the information that I avail to members of Parliament. I've been limiting myself strictly, especially on Excel, to use of charts and graphs only. I was not aware of many other functions that are available on Excel. So this workshop has been very helpful and insightful on how I can benefit from using Excel. I'm also hoping that as we proceed with this workshop and as we go deeper into more complex issues, they should be able to enhance my work, the work that I do at Parliament, while at the same time simplifying my analysis and also making me able to present the data in a more understandable and simpler format that is easy to understand for honorable members of Parliament. I thank you.